Hi, today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the lock screen section, then tap to AOD. Here we can change the shown AOD to show it on the lock screen by tap to show always as the schedule, so with the start and the end time, and show it only for new notifications. We can change here also the clock style by select this one from the stickers, R emojis, Bitmojis, photo from your device gallery, the times. Also you can use the one from these available clocks with the calendar, for example. If you wanna change here the text style and color, you should select one from these available colors. Then for example, let's use this one, tap to done. You can also show music information on the AOD screen. We can change also the screen orientation from the portrait to the landscape, and to use auto brightness or just manually slide to the left or to the right side to adjust the brightness. And here you will find the description about always on display. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.